made a difference in my relationship with my husband. One of the first meetings I had, I explained that through my journey to that point, I had come to a place where I felt very broken and alone. And this allowed me not to feel broken anymore. So it gave me the gift back that I thought had been taken from my marriage. My name is Jessica Small, and I began looking into the MonaLisa Touch due to an early aged hysterectomy. So that led me into menopause fairly early. And then I am also a breast cancer survivor. So combination of the two were a perfect storm for me. And we struggled with the intimacy in our marriage due to those diagnoses. It really wasn't the procedure that drew me. It was the compassion that the providers had here. Seriously, I was here for a different situation and had to have some extra care through that. It was a bladder prolapse, and it was made multiple trips down here for various issues. But the staff was so caring and so gentle and so thorough in their explanation. They just sat there with you and talked you through it, that I knew they're doing the same with the MonaLisa Touch. I know when I met Janine, there was a no-brainer there. Just the compassion that she showed, the interest in hearing me out and giving me hope that there was something that we could do, an option to try. It's all the difference. I mean, like I said, that gift was given back to me, and it was a gift I thought was taken away. It's the intimacy piece means a lot to me. It's a level of my relationship with my husband that I missed, and I have